Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Empower Retirement Secure Access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Empower Retirement's secure login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed to the Secure Access page. You will see a prompt asking for your credentials. First, enter your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. After entering your credentials, double-check that the information is correct. If you'd like the system to remember your login information, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is reviewed, click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Empower Retirement dashboard. In case you forgot your username or password, follow the prompts provided on the secure login page. By clicking on the appropriate link, you can initiate the recovery process. Follow the instructions given to reset your password or retrieve your username. After successful login, explore your retirement options and manage your account as needed. Remember to log out when you finish, especially if you are using a shared or public device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.